Top 10. Best Lunch Cooler Resolutions. First, you resolved to save more money, and second, you decided to eat healthier. Number 10. eBags Crew Cooler Junior. But you were afraid that it would be too big for your lunchtime needs, then this model is the perfect alternative. This cooler comes with all of the excellent features that make the second so amazing, but it's just a size smaller so that you don't have so much extra space. Durable 840D nylon material. Multiple designs available. Soft padded shoulder strap. Number 9. Igloo 55912 Playmate Gripper. This particular model is designed specifically for lunchtime, so you will be able to bring all kinds of meals with you to the office or job site. The insulation of this unit is incredible, and it will keep your food and drinks cold for hours. Durable soft material design. Adjustable padded shoulder strap. Separate lid storage for convenience. Number 8. MIER Insulated Cooler Backpack. A pain to carry. Usually, they have a top carrying handle, which means that you have to use one hand at all times to bring it with you. Even if there is a shoulder strap, it can be uncomfortable, especially if you have a lot of stuff packed inside. Soft yet durable design. Backpack model is easy to carry. Large capacity interior. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Lunch Cooler or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Coleman 30 Soft Cooler. Hold your stuff, then you will prefer having this unit instead of the Excursion model above. This is another combo model that has a rigid interior and a soft exterior. This makes it an ideal choice for lunches as it is much more comfortable to carry. Removable PVA food grade liner. Hard shell interior keeps its shape. Large inside for holding more food. Number 6. Coleman 9-quart Excursion Cooler, the most respected. No matter what kind of model you get, you know that it will do its job well and keep the contents cold for hours on end. In this case, the Excursion Cooler is a small camping model that can be repurposed for daily lunch. Durable plastic construction. Multiple colors available. Small enough for lunches and snacks. Number 5. eBags Crew Cooler 2. That will allow you to bring it with you day in and day out. Then we suggest getting something like the Crew Cooler 2 from eBags. This is a traveler's model, which makes it ideal for constant back and forth between the office and your home fridge. Multiple designs available. Soft grip handle and padded shoulder strap. Flattens for easy transportation and storage. Number 4. Stanley Adventure Cooler. We're talking about models that work for your lunch break. Stanley coolers are meant for outdoor job sites, like construction. Nonetheless, if you want something durable, reliable, and compact, then this model is an ideal choice. Adjustable tie-downs hold additional items. 2 color options available. Sturdy metal hinges for durability. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Lunch Cooler or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Arctic Zone Titan Deep, designed and built for lunches. However, if you prefer to bring a lot of food and drinks with you wherever you go, then you will appreciate this model from Arctic Zone instead. There are 3 sizes to choose from, and each one will allow you to carry a ton of stuff. Durable rigid interior. Velcro top for better security. Side pockets for additional storage. Number 2. Meal Prep Bag. It's going to save you money in the long run. If you're really serious about making a lifestyle change, then you can start meal prepping instead. This process involves cooking or preparing enough food for the week and then labeling each meal based on the day you plan to eat it. Flexible 1680D polyester. Side storage for drinks and other items. Perfect for meal preppers. Number 1. Stanley 7QT Heritage Cooler. First, you can go with something soft and flexible, allowing you to carry more items since it won't be as rigid. Second, you can have something like this Heritage Cooler from Stanley. It operates like a standard ice chest, only smaller. Durable plastic construction. Impact-resistant materials. Locking stainless steel thermos. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Lunch Cooler or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.